I quit my job because I was not born to be in a 9 to 5. I just wasn't. And in today's video, you will see why, because I'm sharing unseen footage of me when I was employed. Many of you have asked, Aaron, what did you do? What were you like? Why did you escape? You know, why didn't you stay in a job? Because I wasn't born for it. I don't like conforming. I've never liked asking permission for a day off. I broke the rules. I went against the grain. I thought for myself. I spoke up and I had a backbone. And guess what? All those traits and that type of character does not fit into a 9 to 5. So I knew I had to escape. And many of you I know are the same because you watch my content and you're trying to break free as well. So I thought, look, it'd be funny if I do like a raw reaction. I'll do a talk over some of this footage, but I'm just going to share with you what I was like. It's a mix between some photos and videos. We've made some of them black and white just to cover up like privacy and stuff like that. And believe me, there is footage that I cannot show you, but this stuff I can show you. So look, without further ado, let's have a bit of a laugh. Let's go through some photos and videos of what I was like in the 9 to 5. It will pop up on the screen somewhere and I will just talk and react to it. Kicking off with me just laying down because believe me, I didn't really do a lot. Now this is my old manager recording me. And again, I'm just prattling about. That's how I got through my 10-hour shift. Oh, Lord. Lord have mercy. And by the way, some of you would have seen the podcast with me and Big Bear. If you haven't, check out my channel. I'll check this out. Oh, look at that. So Big Bear, you're going to see in a minute, and I've done a podcast with him. Yeah, always working hard I was, you know, hardest worker in the room. I really wasn't. There I am, just posing on a forklift. I even look at some of this video footage and I think, people must think I'm mad. Even I'm looking thinking, what we're doing. There we go, working hard in the toilet, wasting time. Oh, this one's quite good. Had a bit more weight on me then. I was bulking. I actually grew a top knot back then. And I've just always been a joker. Like I just didn't take it seriously. Oh, Jesus, Aaron. Yeah, this is what I was like at school, by the way. I was just filling the time, trying to make things go by. Yeah, I don't fit into a 9 to 5. Here we go. There we go. That's what I do in my spare time. Even I'm looking like, who's this guy? I used to get everyone... Oh.
We're working hard.
Working hard.
Just going to take a snowplow for a drive.
I literally used to waste time just driving a snowplow.
Because we're hard workers, aren't we, Ben?
We are.
Hard workers. I've been taking the P.
Paid to drive a snowplow.
Oh, Lord almighty. There we go. You know, all the stuff that I talk about, you know, here we are. Oh, this is Big Bear. So if you've seen,
Turn round, count to 5.
we were playing hide and seek during our shift. This is with Big Bear. Go check out that podcast with me and Big Bear. Gonna see if I can find that actually on my phone. So yeah, we were playing hide and seek at this point. Where is it? Oh, there we go. That is the podcast. Make sure you go check that out. It's with Big Bear.
You're higher than bro.
This is when my now... So my business partner now for Holder, he was my old manager and he locked me in the toilet. So then I got him back now.
Please. SOS. SOS.
So I locked Ben back in the toilet.
We're just about to scare Simo.
And this is me now about to make my old manager jump. Like, I hid in here for ages. This footage that you're seeing is tame. Like I say, I can't show you some of the footage that what we used to get up to. I did have a good laugh.
Little did he know what he was about to receive.
Yeah.
This is your walk, apparently.
So this is a guy I used to work with. So funny. As you can see, I really took my job very seriously. And that was a guy I used to work with. I've mentioned him a few times actually in my videos. So there we go. There's just some footage of me in my 9 to 5. And like I said, that is the tame stuff. I can't show you the stuff that is considered spicy and could get me in some trouble. But look, I think for me, it was just always a case of I like to do what I want. I always have. I want to live life on my terms, doing what I want, where I want, with who I want, with no restrictions, not being told what to do. It did used to get on my gripe asking permission, especially depending on the managers, for holiday. And they would do the whole power trip of, well, put in a submission or request for holiday. I'll check it and then, we'll see how we get on. And it was always a faff. And I'm like, no, I've checked the rota. No one's off. Just approve my freaking holiday and give it to me. It's that element of always giving away control. So I thought, well, look, I was building my own business at the time within finance, which is how I escaped. And I just had fun. And I did everything within the lines of being very, very vanilla. I had fun. I pushed the boundaries. I went against the grain. I said no, which a lot of you should get used to saying no more. And, I got very good with money. I self-educated. I built an incredible network and I used my employer, as I've spoken about in other videos on my channel. I used them as cash flow to fund me whilst I was building the business. Because as the saying goes, work your 9 to 5 and then work your 6 till 10 to escape the 9 to 5. And that's exactly what I did, just with different shift hours that I was working. So there we go. As I said in a part of that clip where we were driving the snowplow, hard working is always what I done. Not. I was always being very smart about what I did. And here's the funny thing. The job role that I had, I did it down to a T, but I outsourced and I was very calculated and smart in the way that I was very resourceful in making sure that all the work was done. Honestly, you should go check out the podcast of me and Big Bear. It's on my channel and it's called, we'll have the thumbnail pop up now actually, and it is called How We Survived a Toxic Workplace. Go check out that video. I don't know why I'm showing you again because it would have popped up on screen, but that is the video. Go check it out. And that's the guy who I was playing hide and seek with. So there you go. All of my lovely subscribers or viewers who wanted to know what I was like in the 9 to 5, well, there you go. I was just having fun, as I did in school. I didn't take school seriously either. And I walked away with school, by the way, with 1 GCSE in PE. And I didn't go to college and I didn't go to uni. And I've had none of my family members that have ever been in business or entrepreneurship at all. I am the first one. So anything is possible, my good people. Until next time, I do hope you enjoyed this very different video. Just a bit of humor on this one for, the Christmas period. So yeah, until next time, hit like and subscribe. Let me know what you found funny or what video do you want me to do next. But until then, I'll see you all soon. Peace out.